Hi, Shell here from Shell's Craft Corner. I thought I'd show you what goodies I've got this week. I have got these mini banner alphabet dies. So they're all in a nice, I'll show you the back, whole alphabet, and I decided to get the numbers too because I thought they were different. So I thought I'll get them, have a play with those. So I shall make some cards with those. Some of you will know I'm seahorse mad. So I've brought this lovely seahorse die. So obviously it comes off the edge of your card. So I'll be having a play with that one too. I thought this was rather cute. It's a little easel and a paintbrush. So I can make some nice cards for someone who paints. And I forgot to say it's a palette. I love robins, and I'll show you the back because they've coloured theirs in. You get a little robin and the holly bushes. So I want to make some Christmas cards with this cute little robin. I hope I can get my robin to look as nice as that. Now, I made some cards during the week. I blogged them. Now this, I made it, obviously I've used two different sentiments on them and everybody loved them, and I wanted to share with you this has got to be one of the best crafty finds I've had in a long time. That's your set of stamps that you get, and then you get the dies. £4.50. Should be $9. I would have quite happily paid $9.99 for this set, but £4.50. But I think I got it slightly cheaper than that because it's from Crafter's Companion. And if you remember and you spend on there a lot like me, you get a further discount. I also found these in the sale as well. Creative Everyday, Crafty Friends Are the Best Friends, Craft Friends, Make a Beautiful Mess Today, Do Something Creative Every Day. You can't see it under there. And then this pack, there's 6 in there. There's 8 stamps in this one. Happy Crafting, Craftiness is Happiness, Creating is Caring, Happiness is Handmade. I can't read that because it's hidden under there. Eat, Sleep, Repeat, Sending Crafty Hugs. I thought these could go on my mug as well. So I got those. And another stamping platform. Now this was always out of stock and I thought, well, it must be good, so I've got to have one. And I like the way that you pop your stamp here. You've got 4 little magnets. And you obviously got your stamp, it sits in its little holes, and you just, and obviously if you take it off and it's not done properly, you'll just ink it, put it back and do it again. So I think this is really good. I will pop a link to the products that I've got, and like I said, £4.50 for that set. Bargain. I did put the link on my blog with these cards, but I'll pop it on again later. So if you could click and like, subscribe, that makes me happy. If you press the little bell, that'll let you know next time I pop something up. My blog, shellbower.blogspot.com. And until next time, bye bye for now.